finished the second mitten last night, and I wanted to show you guys how crazy. I also have all these socks because Rory has asked me to wash her socks. I only found one of this one. I found a pair, and I only found one of Will's, so we're gonna wash what we can. I normally put them through the washing machine, but she wants them back sooner, and sometimes we're like a couple weeks or a week or a couple weeks behind on laundry. Anyway, so this is the difference between the mitten sizes from blocked to not blocked. Isn't that crazy? Like, look at the difference here. So they both fit, but this is just like something to remember when you're knitting mittens, or in particular if you're knitting my patterns, but I think this goes for all mittens, is should be really tight on the needle. And then you're gonna block them out and they should have a really perfect, not as tight, but still a form-fitting, they should be form-fitting after they're blocked, versus this is a pretty tight fit. So I'm going to get ready because I have to go to therapy today, and I don't know if I'm gonna have time to block this before I go. I'm gonna try. I think I have 20 minutes, so I think I'm gonna have this blocking while I put makeup on, and then take it out, wring it out, and block it on my mitten blockers. These are really big, so I actually only initially like let them stretch out for a few minutes on this blocker, and then I take it off and let it finish blocking on, I keep doing this, and then I take it out and let it finish blocking on the towel, which is probably what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick. I don't think they can see you. Well, I usually film from the other angle. Why? He's mean. Are you mean puppy though? You mean puppy. She's excited. You came home early. She said, I thought I was gonna sleep all morning, but no, I get to play. So back from therapy, it went fine, I guess. I played lots of good music on the way home, so now I just want to listen to music. And my good buddy Matthew, who's Go Greyhound on Twitch, is streaming, so I'm going to listen to him too. He streams mostly heavy metal and plays guitar along with it, but I did just request one of my favorite songs from him, so I'll see if I can show him playing it, and then I'm gonna recommend that song to you guys because I listened to it so many times on the way home, and it's just so good. So yeah, I'll share that with you. Yeah, so that's one of my favorite songs, and he and his wife actually are who introduced me to that artist and that song. So it's such a good song. The whole song is such a good song, but go to this timestamp if you decide to listen to it and tell me if it doesn't get you so excited, because it's so good. If you don't like the F word, maybe don't listen to it, but I think it's worth it even if you don't like it, because like the F word. Hi, because it's so good. Hi, do you want to come say hi? Come here. Hello. Here, say hi to him about this. Say hello from a Steven. You're so cuddly. The past few days you're so cuddly. Okay, I gotta go to work, Stevie. Oh, and we're gonna have pizza for lunch. That's my favorite. It's Tombstone Pizza. We love Tombstone Pizza. I also just got a really amazing package from Jessica, who is Witchfire Fibers. And here's her label. It's very pretty and shiny. I've worked with her a couple times and she is amazing, and she sent me the biggest package. This is Inky Cap, which is this incredibly dark, moody, brownish purple, and she knew I was obsessed with it, so she sent me 3 skeins of it, and I'm really tempted to try to figure out if I can make a garment of some kind with 3 skeins. I'm a bigger girl, so 3 may not get me too far, unless maybe I do it held with mohair and do like a short sleeve t-shirt, which I do love the idea of having a short sleeve t-shirt in this, and I definitely have enough to do like a Tulsa tee, sport weight Tulsa tee with the mohair. I think that would be really pretty. And then she also sent me, I think I'm gonna put these 2 together. This is a superwash merino and then a mohair. Wouldn't those look so good together? I think that that's what her intention was when she sent that, and I would imagine that was also the intention with this one, because it's also Inky Cap. How do I decide? And then she sent me her double sock set in, it's just called Mystery, but she knows me very well. Look at these colors. These are very much my colors. She did such a good job. And another Inky Cap. This is just my color. I just want a whole wardrobe in this black, not black. And then speaking of another black, not black color, look at this green. Let's see if I can you see that it's a green? It is, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. These I think will definitely be gloves or something color work. If I didn't, no. But I love this. I love very dark greens. I have only olive green in my wardrobe, but one of these days my plan is to knit a sweater almost exactly this color. So if she still has this color at the time that I decide to do that, maybe I'll do that. But thank you so much, Jessica. I am in love with everything you sent. It is all perfect. Also got a big box of clay. Because I was running out of glow-in-the-dark and white and black, I think. A lot of Halloween colors.
Like the cupcakes?
Yes.
Yes! I love these.
bit of a good fight.
Stevie!
Stairs.
She fell off the stairs. Oh, Siri. Why did you leave the vacuum in here? Why is it in here at all? Adam? Adam? Were you trying to tell me something? It's a very autumnal top section. Nice snow owls. There's a couple of these left still. Snow owls. They're cute. I'm also really excited because I have my first 2 yarn orders that are going out today as well. So I'm gonna show you what they chose. So for Mackenzie fingering weight yarn, they did, let me move this out a little bit so the lighting's better, moss and sunset. Hang on. Okay, so they have moss and sunset. They're really pretty together. And then the others are spruce and natural in the Tracy 2. These are huge skeins of yarn. I knit an entire pair of mittens out of the contrast color. The black for the catacomb mittens was in this, and I don't feel like I even made a dent in it, and I did an entire pair of mittens, so I'm just gonna see how long it stretches. But they have almost 400 yards for a sport weight 100 gram skein, so yeah, these are this is one of my favorite lines. I don't know, I like all of them. Tracy 2 and Denali are probably my favorites, but they're also the ones I've knit with, so I'm sure when I knit with Mackenzie next, that will be my favorite. And this next order is really special because I'm pretty sure, I know it's one of my testers that placed this order, and I'm pretty sure she's going to knit the pattern she's testing for me out of this yarn. I think. I'm 90% sure she told me she was. Even if she's not, this combination looks great together. I know it's dark, I'm sorry. I have you in a cabinet. It's just this really dark, classic royal blue, and it's called Royal Navy. So she got 2 of those, and 2 of Tumbleweed. And these gonna go together. Don't they look nice? It's 100% merino. I love this company, as you guys know. Okay, they're ready to go. I also just realized I don't need to put 2 in, so I'm gonna take 1 out. So, ready to go. And that was it. That was my last order. So I think I'm gonna knit for a little while, maybe. My pile of knitting.
Officially in the morning. I got a cup of coffee. I am
Stevie.
working my running back cal, and I just measured it, and it is about 20 inches, so I have about 10 inches left. After this chart, I'll probably have like 9 inches left, which will only be...
So this is another pattern that I have coming out soon. These are the bot mittens, and they are a children's mitten pattern. So I have several children's mitten patterns coming out, and it's just a matter of how quickly I can get them knitted for pictures. All but the ballerina is being tested, which is fine. I mean, I figure it's a pretty good indication about the popularity of the pattern. Anyway, it's probably a pretty good indication of the popularity of the pattern if no one wanted to test it, so I'm not really in a big hurry. So anyway, that's what I will be working on tonight. All that's left is putting the thumbs in, and I can put those in the finished pile to take pictures of. So yeah, and it's I'm knitting this with the Denali Pecorino, which is incredibly soft, in pistachio and charcoal. Watching Ashley.